Good morning. Me enjoying the living room, just chilling. She got the hiccups, which she hates, but she ain't crying about them right now. She don't like them at all. She got them weird hiccups like her daddy. They just sound cray-cray. I'm getting ready to leave in a few. Joy's gonna stay with my mom. I'm gonna take somebody to go get groomed and maybe run some other errands too. Simba! Simba. No, he wanna ignore me. Simba. He said he ain't talking to me. I ain't give him none of my food, so he ain't gonna talk to me. But Simba gonna look like a brand new dog when we come back. Ain't you seeing me? Oh, now you wanna get up. Ain't you seeing me? You okay, girl, with them hiccups? Finally watching Pretty Little Lies. It's working now. Catching up on that. I'll see you later, Kay. On my way to take someone to the groomer. Running a little late. Supposed to be in there at 10. It's like 9:56 now. I'm just now leaving, but it's like 5 minutes down the road, so should be good. Simba. This is Simba before. Y'all gonna see him looking like a new dog when he come back. So, walking into PetSmart. Let's go. He wanna sniff everything all the time. Golly. Come on, we're already late. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I dropped Simba off. Now I'm about to go up in here and get my eyebrows done and my nails done. Not really sure how I want my nails done. I'm thinking, I don't know what color I want, but I'm thinking I want something like this. Usually get my nail designs off Pinterest. Like a little chevron. But I don't think I want it white and black. I think I want it whatever color my nails are gonna be. White, and then whatever color my nails are gonna be. So we'll see. And get my toes done too. I think I'm gonna get gel polish because it seems to last a pretty good time. And then I need to do a little bit of other things, like pick up some laundry detergent and trying to find Joy a couple of little newborn outfits if she don't really have that much newborn clothes, just so I can put some other stuff on her instead of the same stuff over and over, because I just want to. But yeah, I found her this in Ross. They didn't really have that much stuff. It says baby of the year. It was only $4, so got that because she's the baby of the year. That's my boo. But I might stop by the little consignment store and see if they have anything in there for cheap real quick after I get my nails done and stuff. So yeah, it is a beautiful day outside today. About to go to Five and Below. Jordy want me to get something out of here, and then I'll probably go to Target and see if, well, not see nothing, go to Target and then maybe Simba will be done by then. We'll see. Five and Below is a pretty cool store. Has all kinds of little stuff in here for $5 and less. I like that. And get my iPhone cases and stuff out of here. Ooh, that's cute. But it's only for iPhone 5. I got a 6. I'm in the wrong section, actually. That's the one I have now. Don't see any that I like today. Oh, that's cute. But again, wrong section. Jordy wants me to get some little basketball game thing for his desk at work. I think I've seen it over here somewhere. I don't think that's it. Let's see, hockey, table tennis. I'm not sure where it's at. Gonna have to search a little harder for it, I guess. Let me see if I can find it. So Simba's almost done. He's in there. He's almost done. So it's kind of weird carrying this camera around in the store. People looking at me like I'm cray-cray. I'm not used to having an actual camera out. You can be a little more discreet when you got your cell phone out. I don't really know what you're doing. But when you got a camera, they're like, why is she recording herself? What is she doing? It's kind of weird. Maybe I'll get used to it one day. So it's gonna take about 30 more minutes for Simba to be ready. So I guess I'll go to Old Navy while I wait. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I've seen some cute little onesies in there. One specific one that I want to get. So I'll see if it's in there. I've seen it online. We'll see. So I was out of there pretty quick. They did not have her size, of course. All they had was like, the smallest they had was 0 to 3 months. So, guess I'll go to Target now. See if they have anything there real quick. And then some should be ready by then now. It's gonna be in a Devo. Taking all that to get pampered and stuff. I already got myself pampered and done a long time ago, and he's still getting beautified and stuff. She got my eyebrows did and my nails done. This color was like prettier when I seen it. It's kind of like a weird color. I thought it was more like a light blue, but it's more like a bluish grayish looking color. But I'm starting to like it better now. First I was like, eh, but it's starting to look cute. I also got my toes done too. But yeah, let me go to Target to see if they got any cute newborn onesies there that says something that I wanted to say. I ain't gonna say what yet. Y'all will see it later in another vlog. OMG guys, so Cherokee has some cute newborn stuff. That I had to get at least one of these outfits for my baby. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Lord, which one do I want to get? Is that cute? And they're all on sale. Y'all should use the Cartwheel app. Look at all that stuff on sale. 20% off, 15% off. So I gotta just figure out which one I want to get her. I think I really like this one. I don't know. What would they have on the other side here? That's kind of cute too. Oh, little romper type thing, but not in newborn though. Let's see, any more newborn stuff? Decisions to see. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Lord. I don't know which one to pick. They're so cute. She hasn't wore a little dress yet. Well, I'll take that back. She had like a kind of a type of dress on in her when she went home from the hospital. Oh. Well, let me see what I'm gonna get. Okay, so I finally decided after minutes and minutes of standing here that I'm gonna go ahead and get this one, which is the first one I saw that I thought was cute. I think this one is even cuter, but of course, this one isn't even on sale. This is Oshkosh, and what's on sale is Cherokee. Oh, and the other thing that I really came here to get was a onesie that said something about daddy, so she could wear it on his birthday or for Father's Day. But since I couldn't find one, I just went on ahead and told y'all, because yeah, I was gonna tell y'all because he's gonna watch this vlog because he's gonna be doing editing it or whatever, so that's why I didn't want to mention it until another vlog. But since I couldn't find one, I'm mentioning it. She has some onesies that say daddy or whatever, like I love daddy or whatever, but they're too big right now. So newborns getting no love for daddy. I kept seeing mommy stuff. So so since I couldn't find that, I bought her the cute little dress instead. Well, about to buy the cute little dress. So, and people need to stop staring at me because I'm recording myself. So Simba's still not ready yet. She says in about 5 more minutes. It's like 3:30 now. I've been ripping and running in these streets all day, ready to go home and get some food. But hopefully he'll be there soon. He's looking way better than he did when I brought him in here, so that's good. There's students doing it today, so I thought he might look a hot mess, but yeah, he got cut lower than normal, so he doesn't look all the way schnauzer-like, but he's schnauzer-like in the face, but he don't have his skirt or whatever because they had to get cut because we've been slacking on grooming him, so he had to get a low cut this time. But yeah, I'll see if he's ready soon. Hopefully I don't starve to death first. So Simba's all done now, finally. We went in there. She actually forgot to grind his nails, so I had to wait again when I got in there to pick him up. But yeah, he's all cut now. No more furry Simmy. They had to cut him down real low. So yeah, we're gonna do better with grooming them and get them brushed and whatnot. Give him some extra TLC. He still got his beard going on. Just gotta sniff everything, even in the store. Alright, let me pay for this. I get a $10 off coupon for the day. Yay! So finally back home. Like, I'm tired. Been ripping and running in these streets all day. Still haven't eaten nothing yet. It's like 4:30. I've been gone since 10. All I ate was a donut from Dunkin' Donuts. I meant to go by Starbucks and try that the new Frappuccino. I think they had like 6 new ones. Heard the red velvet one didn't taste nothing like red velvet, so I don't know if I want to taste that. But the Cinnabon one is supposed to taste like a cinnamon roll, and I think I want to try that one. I got a $10 gift card that I haven't used yet, so I might use it tomorrow. I don't know. Yeah, so we're finally back. Simba did good at the groomers. He got him a little progress report. Well, what is that? Progress report. Let's see. He said that Simba was great. Isn't that awesome? Simba was great. So that's good. Let me show y'all Simba. He's over there freaking knocked out, like he had a rough day today. Like, just knocked out, chilling in his bed. Let me see. Sammy. Hey. So y'all see Symbol. Oh, this is Jordan's little bank here. Fake bank Hawaiian Punch bottle. Jordy did that. Anyways, look at Selma. You ain't gonna show the people you cut. Show them how fresh and so clean you are now. You don't wanna stand up? Get up. Get up. Give me 5. Give me 5. No. Give me a 5. You ain't gonna model for the people. You all in my face. They can't see you like that. But yeah, as you can see, he got the schnauzer face. But he's cut really low. Ow, you scratching me. He's cut really low. Just all in my face. Back up. But yeah, he looks way better, of course, as you can see. Way better than he did. Don't you? Gotta do something about that eye, though. Gotta work on it. This side is pretty good. So yeah, he's all clean now. Nails got clipped to grind it down. So he's all good. Joy's in his sleep, knocked out. Look at how cute. Just sleeping. Oh, I miss my baby. You gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? You gonna smile? No. So you're just gonna be knocked out, huh? Dreaming about something moving in my eyes. Simba, what you talking about? You want to see it too? Maybe like, don't you jump up here. Don't you jump up here. Don't you jump up here. Finally finished watching Power. Jordy didn't watch the rest of it with me, but it's okay. It's alright. So I can watch the new season. So you can go ahead and get that. I'll watch it by myself since he's so uninterested in the whole thing. So anyway, I'm tired. I'm about to lay down right here, chill.
I'm gonna lay on my chest.
That's what you want me to do? Hey, Jordan. That's what you want me to do?
No.
He do for real. Anyway, yeah. So we about to call it a night, ain't we, Jordan? We tired. Well, you been asleep most of your day. I'm tired. You gonna keep me up all night, ain't you? Ain't you? You can stay awake if you just stay awake like that. How about you just stay awake like that and be quiet? Be quiet for mommy all night. Jordy, you think it's funny?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
She needs to be quiet all night.
Mm-hmm. Wake daddy up all night. So he get mad and go in the living room.
Mm-hmm.
Simba tired too, look. Is he in? I can't see him. You see him?
Yeah, over there.
He tired too. The students groomed him today, so he had like they just messed up his whole entire day. Like they took way too long for him because when he got back here, he popped right in the bed, right in his bed. Like, don't bother me. And now he's over there laying down like, don't bother me. He tired. You tired from work?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. There go them crazy hiccups again. Oh no, she don't like those. Uh-oh. Daddy gotta teach you that trick that he taught Jordan. How to get rid of hiccups. Y'all should go check that video out if you haven't already. How to get rid of hiccups. It's a very quick way. Get rid of your hiccups. I never seen it before till Jordy showed me. But it really works. But yeah, good night.
Good night, y'all. I'm trying to find a game to play. I don't even know what to play.
Oh, you was playing some corny farm simulator game and got addicted to it. What's it called? What's it called?
Farming simulator.
Why you laughing? You didn't want to tell nobody? Good night.
Thanks for watching Meet the Chambers. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button. And thanks for giving this video a thumbs up and sharing. Have a good day.